Today we are going to do something a bit different.
All right. These check.
We are going to do some chess.
All right. These checkmates will use your queen and rooks. Your queen and rook want to trap my king together. Your queen sealed mate. Catch my rook and finish the game. Great. More of these. Just like I taught you. Your queen and rook are teaming up for a big finish. This puzzle still haunts me.
When you're so dedicated you do your Duolingo everywhere, even here, you should probably try Super to get faster learning. But it's your choice. It's not like Duo's here, right? Right?
We'll remind you.
These checkmates will test your planning. 3 moves. That was a ladder mate. Look for trades that open the way to my king. I'm sure I've prepared you for this.
With Super, nothing gets between you and your learning destination. No ads, no interruptions. It's all open road, babe. Want to take the road to faster learning? Try Super for free.
We'll remind you.
Okay, Grandmaster, let's see what you've got. Could have been a queen. Su casa es mi casa. I'll miss that one. I won't be controlling that diagonal anymore. This is fine. Nice check. Giddy up. The queen is mine. Knight down. Bye-bye. Some pawns aren't built to last. Oh, beautiful queen. I didn't need that rook anyway. Bishop down. My rook hath been took. Could have been a queen. Nice check. Yes, queen. Checked me. Nice check. Should have seen that coming. The queen is mine. Giddy up. That was part of the plan. Just cleaning up. Checked me. Nice check. You're one move away from checkmate. You're getting further from checkmate. You're one move away from checkmate. You're getting further from check. You're one move away from checkmate. You're getting further. You're one move away from checkmate. Let you win. Let's see how well you learn checkmate. You trapped my king. There's a way for your queen to end the game now. Great. More of these. Impressive. You could end the game with one strong move. Okay, Grandmaster, these are for you.
I don't get you humans. You'll pay for 5 different streaming services, but then you won't upgrade to Super Duolingo and get unlimited energy, no ads, and extra practice lessons. You could do the logical thing. We'll remind you.
Wow, today we did something totally different instead of French lessons. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you want to see more of these interesting lessons. Let me know which lesson to do next video. For now, bye!